after 2 or 3 days they will be free. So I hope they
It's
will.
regular coming, just like Sakit Bhaiya and
Saket is from Jabalpur. He can attend, but why is he not attending? I don't know. He does not belong to Dera. So he can. So many people of Dera, so
in this
many
batch,
people of Nagpur belong to Dera. They are related to Dera. That's why they are busy. But I don't know about Saket. What is the problem?
Excuse me, sir, I am re-joining. Maybe it will be good.
You try it. Aparna, how much time do you have to give?
5 or 10 minutes.
So today, the one more main candidate, Soumya, is not coming. Should we conclude, Manya? She has to go, and you are alone here.
This type of ice cream.
Okay, sir, as you say.
Because you are single. Manya, Soumya is not here.
Yes, sir.
Or if you want to talk to me, so you can carry on.
For some 5 minutes, you can talk to each other.
Okay, then no problem. I can talk to you. It's more benefit for me.
Means if you want to take a you want to grab a chance to take, so you can take more benefit. Array, what I am saying, I'm also confusing. Talk to you. What? I'm sleeping my tongue. Whenever I talk, after a long time talking with anybody fluently like this. So in between holidays, I went to Jabalpur to meet my bhaiya and my family. So I was not talking in English. Instead, they are all are belongs to English medium, but we are not just like क्या कहता है Bharti Parivar, we want to take dal chawal roti sabzi instead of any Western food or hotel wale food. So like this, we want to talk to in Hindi.
Exactly. Everyone like that with family. Everyone like that dal chawal only.
So why should the thinking is that why should I speak in English to waste the time? I speak in Hindi, bindas, and make the family with each other and close to. This is the very close my mother tongue, and who doesn't want to close this? So that's why. And tell me what all happened with you. Any new incidents and what all have you done in Dera?
Sir, in Dera, today I woke up very early in the morning at 5 because I have to leave from the home around 6 or 6:30. So, and there I had walked a lot because it's too big. And there was a question and answer session with Babaji and Kar Darshan also. And today I'm very happy because where I sat for the Kar Darshan, it very front means I saw him from the very बहुत पास से मैंने उनको देखा तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत एक it's a very happiest moment for me.
You were nearer to him.
Yeah.
So, do you have any duty of?
No, I don't have any duty because I never go to Dera for seva and all. I just go once in a year, just for the satsang and for the program only.
Achha, you are not a volunteer.
No, I'm not a volunteer because my kids are too small yet. So I can't leave them. Na? Like generally, all satsangis go every Sunday or before program they are they go for a whole month or like this. So I cannot go because my family is not permitted me.
So, are you attending class regularly
Yeah,
without any gap?
no, yeah, I'm attending my class regularly. I try my best. Just from a few days, I got a little bit disturbance because my husband, anytime they come to take lunch, means like whenever he come like when anytime at 3, at 4, at 5 or at 6. Because the what happened, my husband's business is school uniforms. He takes government tender of school uniform. So
Where
in
is his? Achha, he is he having any shop in or
not a particular shop.
yeah.
Yeah,
Acha, he's a
he has shop on in Panjwani market, Gandhi Park.
Gandhi
But
Park.
Karigar Karigars are come to take the cuttings. My husband cut the cloth his own self designs, but Karigar comes to take the cuttings and they take to home to sew there.
Okay.
Yeah, so in urban area, our school are still closed. In
Reopening
rural
na
area,
another now
in
he's in
rural area, school are open. So he has to go.
the program of the urban areas school is postponed till 12th of December.
Yeah,
But rural area is open, reopening now.
yeah. So my husband has
He
to
must
go
be.
to Gaon to take the orders like Moda, Queen, all nearby Nagpur.
Hmm.
So he has to go there. So he comes anytime to take the lunch. And my elder son has started tuition classes, offline tuition classes after the Diwali. So whenever his call comes to take Mama, please come to take me. So I have to go there also. So I got a little bit disturbance in classes
But in
nowadays.
the evening, the time is matlab you are coming in evening, so वैसे भी housewife is having so much work to do, so much household chores to do.
Yeah, the,
Tell me about the experience so far, English speaking experience. After have you how many months have you spent here?
I spent it 3 months, 3 to 3.5 months.
Spent, huh?
Yeah, it was a more beneficial for me, and I get more confident, and I can talk to my kids teachers very confidently. And
Hmm.
once I want to share my one experience. Before few days, I talked to my best friend. She's married. She is in Bombay. So I talked to her, and I was talking in little bit in English with her. So she says, "Wow, Manya, I'm very happy." Actually, my name was Gitika before marriage. So she
Hmm.
called me Gitika. That Gitika, I'm very happy to see you that you are speaking English very too good, and you
Wow,
are trying your best also. So
that's
that time I was very happy that yeah, I can talk in English to someone.
if you are speaking English confidently in front of anybody who knows that you are not able to speak earlier, but now you are speaking to and somebody praise you, so it will be over. We become more confidence.
Yeah,
if we can improve our English skill and how to we can think about it. Yes, I have to do some more. I have to give some more time to learn these things. When somebody is appreciating me. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Some
it
words are like this that we
so
cannot
good,
pronounce
no? Yeah.
clearly. Yeah. Actually, at my home, my except my kids, I don't have any option to speak English. Only
Are you
I
the
can
Poonam
speak with my
sister? No, are you Poonam sister?
yeah, yeah. I'm
Uh,
Poonam's sister.
yeah.
Yeah,
So carry on, Karan. So you have
yeah,
two kids, no?
yeah. I have two kids. Both are boys.
Hmm.
So, but with the children, we cannot speak in English continuously and regularly. So sometimes they said also, Mama, please stop trying to speak in English and
Acha.
say what do you want to say? Just say in Hindi.
Uh,
So
but keep
sometimes
managing.
they also not give me support. Sometimes,
It will take a time to means make up their mind. So
yeah,
till then you have to give your hard. मतलब You will have to work hard for it.
yeah,
Regularity, punctuality, sincerity. Then you can give. You can grab the so much thing automatically. And today, what happened in my batch? Ritu is one of my friend from Bombay. She
yeah,
was speaking and she was sharing the experience of her. And when she went to the doctor and she was speaking in English. Now she is regular from 3 months, past 3 months. So she was so happy to share this thing. Yeah, I was speaking in English and automatically it was coming out of my mouth. So I am so happy because earlier, whenever she comes and she came and speak, and sometimes she feel like unhappy, and she mean I'm not able to speak like this, yeah, like you, and you are speaking, and some others
yeah,
guys belongs to this batch, and they speaks like very started very fluently. So felt so bad it, but now she was speaking with grammar, and she was regular. Now she is regular from 3 months. So Anna, this is the benefit of your regular classes. Ki you have started speaking. You
yeah,
have enough. Um, you can say, क्या मतलब knowledge of English, but you never use it. You have a
yeah,
vocabulary, but you never use it. But
yeah,
you have to start. You have to be a regular, punctual, and sincere. Then you can speak there. Or whenever you come in a class, anybody has come, and just
yeah,
like me, another person has come. What you know what we do? When we are three guys, except Renu Bhabhi is not coming nowadays, so we are three here in my batch. So whoever come, whether sir, whether madam, or anybody has come, we started speaking English.
okay,
Don't think anybody we don't wait for
आइसक्रीम
anybody. We
गरम होती
started
है.
speaking in English and make them
How was
speak
it?
in English.
yeah,
You also do
It
this.
was.
You
Thank
should
you.
do this ki,
Will you take?
if you are alone or somebody
नंबर
else
तो
or
अच्छी अच्छी
sir
बना
is
दी.
there or
इसके
madam,
माइक
you
अच्छी
should
लगा.
speak without hesitation because you are in English, you are in process, so you have to speak, and in this way you are speaking, you are learning, you are speaking, and you are sharpening your tongue.
yeah,
है ना? To use your to utilize your
ग्रीन
time because time is so precious,
yeah.
for us
Definitely, time is
housewife.
so precious.
हाँ,
ग्रीन
so
नहीं डाला था.
we should utilize without wasting time.
फोटो में ऑरेंज टी शर्ट हो
Make
जाएगा
them
लोग
speak.
सबको ये
You
बोलेंगे तुमने
speak
ऑरेंज
whether
नहीं येलो टी
he
शर्ट
is not
देखो हमने
she
कोको
is
पाउडर
reluctant
डाला
to
था,
speak, but you make them
ठीक है,
and
कोको पाउडर
speak
से
to
बनाई
them,
थी,
ask anything,
ऊपर से
what
चोको चिप्स
you
डाले,
mean, and you start making sentence.
कितनी बातें
You
करता
have
है ये फालतू की।
sentences, interactive sentence, and
तुम्हें खाना है?
make a sentence on it.
हाँ,
Lots of things to speak and learn.
ये
मतलब
चक्के में
अगर
सैंडविच नहीं बनाना,
अगर we see the
प्रोसेस नहीं
back
सीखना,
and think make, can, could, should, like this chapters, we sometimes after
चलो
sometimes
बोल
we
दो
forget na,
एक
so
सेंटेंस है,
if you recall this all things, so you have to make sentence on it and make
रुको
them
ना, क्या लिखा?
try to insist them to make the sentence on it, है ना?
Okay.
So in this way you can recall all the things and remember the
हम इसको इससे कनेक्ट
idioms,
कर रहे थे
interactive sentence,
ताकि
use it
आवाज,
one by one. You
लेकिन वो
write the one idiom and
नहीं
cut the chit
स्क्रीन
and stick
रिकॉर्डिंग हो
on
रही,
your kitchen and see the idiom and use it again and again. Yesterday watering, yesterday it was my I went to my friend's
What?
house. There was a party. I used one. She has given a one gift. So somebody
अच्छा,
told her कि
ये
मतलब
सालों
देखना नहीं चाहिए
पुराना
कि
हो
what
गया,
should be the price and what is the
Yeah.
price, what is this. तो हमने कहा it is
था
in
बी
English.
प्रेजेंट में एक सेंटेंस
Don't
देखो
look a
क्या लिखा
gift,
हुआ है
nose
तुमने,
in a mouth. So she asked me कि
बोर्ड पे
what
क्या
is
लिखा,
this? हमने
नाम
कहा
दिखे,
this is the idiom कि you are saying कि दान की बच्चा के दान गिने जाते हैं.
अभी नहीं आ रही ना आवाज तुमको, बस ठीक है, यही करना था, बातें करना नहीं था। गुंजा कहाँ आएगी यहाँ, ऑफलाइन में आने दे, ऑनलाइन ये मान्य है, ये पढ़ना है, ये सर है, ये हमें इसलिए ज्वाइन करना पड़ता है क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड आज क्लास जैसी नहीं है, कन्वर्सेशन है, तो कंप्यूटर में ऑन नहीं की। अच्छा तुमने एक भी वीडियो नहीं देखी बेटा, अब तो पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं, नहीं अब तो पूछने की जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि सब दिखता है वीडियो में, तो ऐसे ही रहता है हमेशा हर बैच में, जैसे तुम्हारे बैच में, हर बैच में। बस रे, कल भी बोल चुका, मत बोलो। अब पहले तुम जाओ और पोंछा उठा के लाओ और लगाओ कुर्सी हटा के, क्योंकि एक गलती एक बार ठीक है। तुम्हें बहुत पसंद थी ना बॉटल, ये कैसे खुल जाती एकदम से, देखा ना वो नाम, देखा ना जहाँ लिखे तुमने, इधर देख लो। अब तुम्हें ही ढूंढना है आज तुम्हारी की ये लापरवाही की, देखा।